lovelies, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to apply a very simple eyeshadow which can go with every outfit and anybody can do it. I'm going to make the steps very easier for you girls so that anybody can do it. You don't need a makeup artist or anybody to do your own makeup on any of the occasion. So let's get started. So the very first thing that I'm going to start is by doing my brows, and for brows I'm using this eyebrow pencil from Miss Claire. I use this from a year now and I just love this stupid. So what I'm going to do, this is a brown shade, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give a little bit of shape to my brows. I already have thick eyebrows, so I don't need to fill them, I just need to shape them. Now I'm using the brush which came along with the pencil and I'm just going to comb it so that it looks very nice and even. Yeah. Okay, so now the next step is to prime your eyelids, and for the eyelids I'm going to use my concealer from Maybelline, and I don't use any fancy primers for eyelids because I feel that the concealers works very best because you know what, you just need a plain canvas on which you can apply colors, that's it. So for that plain canvas I think concealers do their best job. So what I'm going to do is just apply one dot of it and blend it with my fingers. Now I'm going to set this concealer with my translucent powder from Bharat and Doris. Yes, so you can use any of the setting powder and just set your concealer. I'm going to take this shade editor, this brown shade, this shade, and I'm just going to apply it into my crease. And to apply that I'm going to take this fluffy brush, blending brush from Oriflame. This is how the brush looks like. I'm going to leave all the products that I use into the video into the description box below, so please check it out for that. And yes, I'm just going to dip my brush into the eyeshadow, just tap the excess, and then I'm going to apply it into my crease. You just need to blend your eyeshadows, okay? So for a good eye look, you always need to blend it. Now I am going to take another color which is in the crease. I'm just deepening the crease. This shimmery shades, the shade is Bronzed Beauty, and I'm going to apply it onto my eyelids. So this is how my eyeshadow looks like. So I just use 3 colors and did this eyeshadow. Now where you can do where you can do this eyeshadow, or where you can carry this look, you can use this, or you can wear this eye look in the weddings. Like this will go with any of the Indian outfit. Okay, so yes, just slay this eyeshadow. And yes, so now for the finishing touches, what I'm going to do is take the same brush and I'm just going to blend all the edges. That's it. Okay, so I just went ahead and applied this eyeliner from Maybelline. It is their hyper liner, and it comes with this pencil sort of a tip, so it becomes very easier for you to apply the liner. So yes, and now I'm just going to apply some mascara and we'll be right back. Yes, if you like this video, then please give this a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And also into my next video, I am going to show you how to contour your face. So yes, please stay tuned for that. Bye.